बच्चों ने पूछे टेढ़े सवाल, मिला उनको हाजिर जवाब। ऑनलाइन दिखाया टीचर ने जो रास्ता, हल्का हुआ बच्चों का बस्ता। देखो दौड़ रहा है देश। किसान ने निराले कल में बोया है बीज हिंदुस्तान का। छोटे व्यापारी ने सजाया है चेहरा अपनी दुकान का। नई सोच से आगे दौड़ रहा है देश। हर दिल में अब कुछ कहने वाली बात है। घर बैठे कुछ सीखने की प्यास है। नौजवान बना कोडर इस नई भाषा का राही है। स्टार्टअप्स की डायरी में आज आधुनिक स्याही है। दूर नहीं अब कोई मंजिल, देखो दौड़ रहा है देश। निकल पड़ी हैं हवा में पीछे छोड़ परेशानियां। महिलाएं बुन रही हैं हर रोज नई कहानियां। 100 करोड़ धड़कनों के सपने अनमोल हैं। इस नई दुनिया के निर्माता अपने ही लोग हैं। इन अपनों के साथ दौड़ रहे हैं हम भी। गूगल फॉर एवरीवन, गूगल फॉर इंडिया।
Hello everyone, Namaste and a very warm welcome to the 7th Google for India. We started with an India-focused approach and today we are an India-first company. Our mission is to make the internet helpful and safer for a billion Indians. The internet is visible everywhere in the country. In the last 12 months, India has added the highest number of smartphone users. I am very happy to announce that we are introducing a focused program with Google Career Certificates that will help fresh graduates pick up high-demand skills in IT support, IT automation, project management, data analytics, and UX design. We'll provide scholarships for 1 lakh students for these courses. More affordable smartphones and an internet that works for all Indian languages. And using the latest technologies like AI to solve for India's most critical problems, not just for today, but also for tomorrow.
India is on track to attain new heights of digital empowerment with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision of a digital India. At the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METI, we have formulated from early July the 1,000-day vision to make India a $1 trillion digital economy by 2024-2025.
We're announcing the first ever Google Assistant-enabled end-to-end vaccination booking flow in India.
आपने टीका लगवाने के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर लिया है।
With this flow, a relatively new internet user will be able to easily book an appointment in a more guided way.
We're proud to announce an initiative that gives users an option to access web pages from other languages in their preferred language.
अरे वाह, अब ये पहला रिजल्ट हिंदी में अवेलेबल है।
बस टैप करो और देखो आपके अपने लैंग्वेज में या फिर ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज में. This feature is now available in 5 Indian languages with more to come and can be accessed on any mobile browser that supports Google search.
Android continues to bring the power of computing to support India's digital growth. Can Android solve for India's unique needs?
The JioPhone Next, created with Google, is built on an optimized version of Android operating system and the Play Store. We're deeply committed to India, and we will continue to invest in our product, business, and marketing teams, both here in India and globally, to ensure we bring the best of Android to our customers and partners.
And for over 320 million students in India alone, learning has never looked more different. They're asking everyone about everything. So, how can we help?
Today, millions of students and teachers are using Google Classroom as their virtual learning hub. This week, we are launching features to make the classroom offline experience seamless. Students can now download study materials whenever they have access to the internet and work on it later. Now, parents and students can look for any math, physics, or chemistry topic, and they will get free learning content from top education providers like Byju's, Topper, Vedantu, GradeUp, Doubtnut, Careers 360, and more.
Artificial intelligence, once a thing of science fiction, is now making reality better than we could have imagined. Here's how. Look to Speak, an Android app, helps people communicate with their eyes.
The patient can select words and phrases which are pre-stored in the app, and then a digital voice says them out loud for them.
Best thing about this app is that it is freely available on all Android phones.
Now that this app is going to be available in 5 different languages, it can help a lot more individuals in India today.
Good, na?
How else can AI meaningfully improve lives?
At enrollment, from each beneficiary, they collect information about age, income level, number of children, and so on. And there are call records for the beneficiary indicating their listening behavior.
Be able to reach out to more and more women each week, get them back into the fold, and save lives because of AI.
Climate change is real, and the frequency of extreme weather events is increasing every year.
We have partnered with the Indian Meteorological Department to launch weather alerts for extreme climatic conditions. Now, you can ask Google for this information. Since the start of the monsoon season this year, we have sent 110 million notifications to at least 20 million affected people. Users will be able to see air quality from their nearest station by typing queries such as air quality near me or air quality Delhi.
How do you make money simple for millions?
We are now adding a cool new feature to make groups even more useful, bill splitting. So I'm happy to share कि Hinglish का option early 2022 में Google Pay पर available होगा. The whole app transforms to Hinglish. QR code scan करें, phone number को pay करें, and so on. Google Pay will be the first app at Google to have the Hinglish option. We know that you don't like typing out the 10-digit plus bank account numbers. So just speak it out and we'll do the rest. You can say it in Hindi or English. I am delighted to announce the My Shop feature on Google Pay for Business, which will be available later this month.
To create a video, you used to need lighting, cameras, direction, production, editing, cinematography, set design, makeup, props, and of course, a pretty big budget. But now, all you need is your phone.
At its heart, YouTube is about freedom of opportunity. Over the last 3 years, we've paid out over $30 billion to creators, artists, and media companies. Now, under the video clip on its watch page, there's a nifty create button. So not only can I relive my favorite takes, I can create while I watch and make a fun short video on the fly and share it with my friends and family.
देखो सब जानते हैं कि YouTube ऐसी जगह है जहां artists go to gain popularity and make a deep connection with their fans. और अब YouTube Shorts के साथ ये even more आसान हो गया है.
Today we are announcing a partnership with Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, to help fulfill our $15 million commitment to MSMEs in India. With a preference for enterprises run by women, beneficiary micro-enterprises will be able to increase their production capacity and output by availing loan amounts ranging between 25 lakhs to 1 crore rupees.
We are looking to reach over 1 million people in next 2 years and cost only between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. It's also critical to enable job connections for these learners. To solve this, we are building a hiring consortium with partner employers who are keen to hire from the Google Career Certificate Graduates Talent Pool. Google India is also part of the consortium and proud to have globally renowned companies on board.
If every Indian citizen has access to digital skill, it will not be long before India becomes a $1 trillion digital economy.
I'd like to thank all of you for joining us today. Thank you.